In a very unpredictable world, the best investment that you can make in yourself is to have a side income, is to not depend on one source of making money, a job, whatever, right? Especially when we see, these shutdowns in the government and TSA workers not getting paid and airports crazy and people can't make it to where they have to be. It's like, we don't know what's going to happen day to day. But if you spending all your time on your phone anyway, why not make some money from it? Look at Printify. Go to Printify.com. You will see it on my screen. I also can send you a link. So comment Printify if you are interested in starting your own side hustle today. You've probably been wanting to do this anyway, because listen, I've been doing it for about 10 years after my job told me we're not going to pay you. Now, mind you, I'm in the entertainment industry, so this is kind of common stuff. But after they told me they weren't going to pay me, I'm like, fine. Okay. And I started selling t-shirts. I had no idea that when I started selling those t-shirts as a side hustle to supplement my income, that was going to turn into me making over $1 million by selling t-shirts. Had no idea. All right. I just knew that I did not want for that job to be in control of my livelihood. And I know that you feel that. I know you feel that. If you're watching this right now, I know you can understand that. So I want for you to log into Printify, and I want for you to look at over the 1,000 products that they have to offer. Right now, mind you, all of these products that you will see there, t-shirts, they got office products, they got home products, they got leggings. You can start a clothing brand. You can start a baby clothing brand. You can start a wedding gifts brand. You can start a blanket brand. You can start a travel brand. And I have done all of the videos about this stuff. Okay. But what I want you to know most importantly is that you can put your thoughts, your ideas, your authenticity into your brand. And you don't have to worry about spending any money up front. You don't have to worry about going to get inventory and sourcing your products and where are the best products, right? You have them here. Printify is going to print the item for you. They're going to pack it. They're going to ship it on your behalf. So it's going to come from your brand. And again, you don't have to spend any money. You can start today, all right, with a Printify pop-up store, which will give you a link. All right, so I have several pop-up stores. Okay, you ain't got to know all of them, but one of them is crystallee.printify.me. I can send that to friends and family. I can send that to coworkers. I can send that to other people and be like, hey, buy my stuff. And I have a brand ready to go today without spending any money up front to do it, right? That is how I had to do it because I didn't have any money when I started. I literally started with no money because, again, my job didn't want to pay me. So if you're interested in that, look on there right now. Over 1,000 products. What is it that you want to sell? Identify that. Do you need to have a trademark up front? No, you don't. Do you need to have an LLC up front? No, you don't. My answer to this when I see it in my comments is normally for you to make sure that you actually want to do this because you may change your mind. Okay, so a lot of people rush, you jump in, you get an LLC, and then you change your mind on what you want to name that LLC or what you actually want to sell, right? So when you make your first $200, $300 and you're like, yes, I really want to do this, then go get your LLC, right? Taxes, all of those things that you guys asked me about when it comes to print on demand. Printify has all of that information for you. It is located inside. They have blogs. They have coaches. They have everything that you need to have a successful brand. And trust me, I'm not the only person who has made over $1 million selling merch, selling t-shirts. There are plenty of people who have done it and they're not packing and shipping a thing. All right. So yes, you can do it. You don't need to have any design skills. You don't need any of that. You can log in today and literally become a brand owner in the next hour, if it even takes that, right? If you're interested in learning more about starting your own brand, I do have a free t-shirt class. So you can comment free class. I'll send that over to you. Any information that you are looking for when it comes to Printify, I have a ton of videos about it. All right. Because again, I love working with Printify because they were a resource for me when I did not have the money to spend up front. So I scream it from the rooftops for other people that if you are looking for ways to make money, and you are already on your phone, why not try this? Why not try it? If you've tried it before, why not try it again? Why not pivot to another idea? Okay. I got several videos here with all kind of ideas for you about directions that you can go in. So stop making the excuses. Stop saying what you can't do. Stop saying everybody is doing it. Listen, we don't have your brand. And if we don't have your brand, that means that we're missing out. So start today, figure out what it is that you want to sell, and go. Any questions that you have about Printify, starting a brand, my brands, money, any of that, drop it in the comments. We can have a conversation about it there. Printify, comment that if you want my Printify link, and if you want the free class, you can also comment that and I will get it over to you. I am wishing you so much success in your business today. Okay, I'm proud of you in advance, wishing you the best, and I cannot wait to see your new Printify pop-up store.